This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, October 8th, 2018. This one here I got a call from an old customer. He says that his AC needs a recharge. So I charged it back in the day, I don't know, 8 years ago or something like that. He said it's an old system, he wants me to come by and just give it a top it off for now. We'll go by there and see what's going on with it. Charge on the unit, he's gonna go start it up. It's our 22. Got my gauges on there. There's a whole unit. Look at this. Look where the gas meter is. I mean, that's not a good place to have it. But he wants me to charge it up. Look at this old thing. It's not that warm today. It's probably about, I don't know, 60 degrees out or something. That fan's not spinning enough. I think that's what his problem is. Fan's barely spinning. Fan's barely spinning.
Well, it's got an automatic control. It does spin when temperature. When it's not, doesn't have much head pressure, it senses the heat coming through and will speed up. And it takes about a minute. Oh, look at this.
We'll put some gas in it. So you're saying that ramps up as it goes along?
Yeah, as soon as the temperature goes up. This is what I would hear normally if it's cool outside. And there isn't much head pressure. This will run slow.
You must have some kind of control on that then.
Yeah, that's a big barb. You see that barb in there? That unit right there that sticks out with a little curlicue. I think the thermometer's the curlicue and something doesn't have the sensibility.
What a piece of shit that thing is. I mean, that thing should be running all the time, but...
No, it'll pick up.
He'll pick up.
Oh yeah. What's the head pressure right now?
Well, I'm putting gas in it.
Oh, okay.
It's going to take a little while.
There she goes.
So when the head pressure gets down, it slows down.
Yeah.
That's odd.
Old school.
Yeah, that was kind of, they didn't have a lot of that. They didn't have a lot of them controls around.
No, and I think if that control craps out, I guess that'd be the end of the line.
Yeah, you're all done. There she goes, she's ramped up now. You sure that's the way it always operated?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
I thought your fan was bad.
No.
That's not a standard motor, then that must be some kind of special motor.
You can do that with certain capacity run motors depending on the windings are.
Oh, okay, but I'm saying you won't be able to put a rescue motor in there or something.
Probably not. Probably not.
Let's hope the thing just needs a little freon and you'll be all set for a bit. Head pressure's low. A fan cycle control is what it is. That's exactly what it is. When the head pressure gets low, it slows down. It's a fan cycle control. But usually the fan cycle control shuts the fan off completely. You know? But this one here is just kind of cuts the amperage down.
Yeah.
You know?
Since this is 77, it's probably either an SCR or a triac that changes the waveform. The less of the waveform gets in, the slower it goes.
What are you, an engineer? Used to be? Yeah. She's ramping back up again.
Yeah.
I think it's got Parkinson's. It's got the shakes.
Well, it's a little out of balance, but not much. I think what to them,
That's what we're gonna leave it right there. So we're gonna leave it right there. Superheats about where the suction pressure's a little bit low, but
Well,
a lot better than 30.
oh yeah, well, that's a little freezing.
So this is a heil.
Heil, yeah. Hey, Heil.
Yeah, it's got the greenish color. That's because it's the Sears.
Yeah, that's the Sears color. See, normally when I put this to bed for the winter, I'll wax all this. I'll put car wax on it and drop the cover over it.
You don't see too many of these around.
No.
Then you do spray it down with the hose.
Yeah.
Yeah, it don't look all that dirty, but this is quite the pigtail.
Well, that was because the next size tubing was too short.
Yeah, the quick connects, they came pre-charged.
Recharged. And it was an advantage.
Marley's new coat, new sweater. Miss Marley's new sweater. Yeah, Miss Marley. Yeah, you go to work. You love working. Yeah, you love working. Yeah, you love working.